In this lesson, we will learn how to apply different effects to text in PowerPoint. We have already seen some of the effects that can be used in order to emphasize objects: shadow, blur, glow, transparency, etc. Similar options are available for text as well. We can select the text, whether it is in a text box or in a shape, and right-click on it. In the menu that opens, we have to select Format Text Effects. Once there, we can choose whether to add a shadow, reflection, glow, or 3D format to the selected text. In order to provide an example, I will add a shadow, which will be transparent at 80%. I will adjust its blur and distance to 3, and set the angle to 45 degrees. Perfect. Now, let's close the dialog box, and we can see that the text within the box is slightly different than before. It has a somewhat stronger appeal to the eye due to the effects that were added. Let's open the Format Text Effects menu and add a glow effect to the selected text. This time, we'll click on Glow and set the glow parameters of our choosing. This option allows us to highlight the selected text. Within a few clicks, we can make text glow in a variety of colors. In this particular example, we'll select a red glow. The effect is very strong because we chose a large glow size. These are some of the text effects that you can use in PowerPoint. There are a number of effect combinations which can be applied in order to obtain the desired final output. Over time, you will build your own custom preferences. The important thing at this moment is that you know where to find these effects and the way they function. This will do for now. Thanks for watching.